Hello, all the people who are watching this video. My internet's not working, so I decided, hey, why don't I make videos so I can post them when my internet's working instead of actually watching YouTube videos because I can't watch YouTube videos. So, anyways, I'm gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna do a tutorial and I'm gonna show you how to do this effect on Alight motion. It will work with probably most programs. The other programs, like if you have the ability to make like elements or something, then yeah, you could do that. Or like transparent things, then yeah. But for some apps, you might have to green screen it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it in Alight motion. So these steps are for Alight motion. I don't know if you could use these in other editing programs too. But yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how to make this effect. See? Okay. So you don't have to do it in elements, but I'm gonna do it in elements. So the same thing works with any shape. Like this will work with any shape. I did one with an heart and an X too. So I'm just gonna do it with a circle though. So you can see it better, I will actually make it black so you can see it better. So you're gonna add a circle, then you're gonna go here and make it pretty much as big as you want, but don't make it as big as the screen because it has to grow bigger. Also, when you make effects, they don't actually have the watermark when you put them in other projects, so don't worry about you having a floating watermark out of nowhere in your video. Someone messaged me. Yay. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just gonna keep doing the video. So yeah, now you're gonna do the circle, and then you're gonna make it grow, cause that's how it works. So you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna go here. So hold on. So you're gonna go on the circle, okay, and then you press move and transform, and then you press this one right here. That's where you can make it bigger and smaller. And then since if it's already the size you want it to start out as, you just take that and don't mess with it. Then you go to the end and then make it pretty much however big you want it to grow. Shush. I'm trying to record. Okay, and then yeah, you just make it as big as you want. I'm just gonna do it this big, I guess. So, and then you're gonna get another circle. It doesn't matter what color it is because you're actually gonna go to wait. Actually, this this has to be smaller when it starts. It has to be a bit smaller. Yeah, like this. It has to grow like that. Okay. So yeah, once you make your other circle, you're gonna go to blending and opacity. Scroll all the way down, and you're gonna see mask. Choose exclude. So basically, anything that is touching, it will not be there. So wait, no, not color and fill. So now you're going to go to move and transform, go to this here, and you're going to do the same thing, just make it smaller at the first time, and then on the bigger one, make it go past the perimeter of it, and then you don't have to do this, but I personally think it makes it look cooler. You go here, you press this, and then was it this or this one? Yeah, it was this. So you move this all the way over here, and then you move this all the way down here, and then you do that with the other one as well. Just the same thing. I personally think it makes it look cooler. Yeah, you can also do the same thing. Just make sure the other circle is on top, like above the extrude thing, because if it's above here, then this can't remove it. See, I'll show you how it looks like if you add another one inside. So it can be however big you want in the inside. It really doesn't matter. I'm gonna make it like pretty small. And then you basically just do the same thing, but smaller, I guess. I guess that's all you really have to do for it. I don't need to explain this, do I? Exclude. Why did I feel like they would have the exclude thing in there? Like, I felt like they would have an option to do that with the, anyway, yeah, so, yeah, you just, to make one inside, you just do the same thing that you did with the other one, but smaller. You can't, again, this part is optional, but I prefer to have this here. I prefer to make it look like this because then it looks way cooler. Yeah, it looks better. Wee! It looks really cool. I taught you how to make that effect. You're gonna see that effect in one of my upcoming videos. And it's freezing now. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video. Bye. You learned how to do something. Now do what you want with that information.